Abandoned quarry. I think it was a quarry from like the 1920s or something. It's pretty cool, as you can see. And I've been looking at this down here. It's like some sort of weird looking pagan, maybe Satanist ritual thing. I'm gonna try to go down and get a look at it. So I'm just hiking through the woods right now in Oregon. Kind of just felt like going for a drive on my own. Really just taking in God's country. It's really a magical sight here. There's a quarry I was just up at. This is very cool, guys. We suggest you can make the drive out here. It's a cool little area here. I don't know what it is, but that's the quarry I was up at. It's old. Oh, here's another little circle. I don't want to walk in those circles. They're probably Satanist things. Nice day for a hike. What the hell? Do you hear something? Probably fucking animals. What the hell is that? It's a building out here or something. Oops, almost tripped there. What is this thing? It's fucking... Oh, it's a truck. Oh, it must have been from the old quarry. Oh, look at this thing. Some abandoned truck out here. Oh, it's scary. Let's try to get inside. The fucking barbed wire on here? Now that's gotta be something sketchy. Can I even get in here? There's a lock on here. Polka dot thing. What the fuck is in here? Let me take a, oh my god. There's a skull on the wall, some photos, glue. There's some serial killer shit. What the hell is this? Satanist type shit. What the fuck? Oh my god.